This guy was tired of his house looking old and grimy. Everything from his mailbox to his front steps was covered in a thick layer of dirt that just wouldn't come off. So he pulled out his power washer and started blasting away years of filth. And the transformation was so satisfying, it made the entire house look brand new.